What's going on, everybody? Richard here from My Part Out Chevys, man. I got up for sale a 1966 Chevy Caprice, two-door hardtop. It's been fully restored. Very beautiful car. It is painted a tangerine with like a gold metal flake. Yeah, the camera does not do it justice. You got to see this in person. We'll be located in Ontario, California. Hit me up, 909-821-0262 for sale or trade, or partial trade and some money. Got current tags, runs and drives anywhere. 350, automatic. Check it out. Upholstery's been all done. Beautiful brown peanut butter leather style interior. Everything works. Complete AC car. Hit me up, 909-821-0262. I got a current, clear pink slip in hand. Hit me up, 909-821-0262. It has never been lifted. It is not lifted. No hydraulics. Runs and drives great. Clean stock car. Man invested over $32,000 in the car. I'm selling it $19,500 or best offer. You can go cruising tonight. Low ride tonight. Hit me up, 909-821-0262. Talk to you guys later.